Hi, this is Terry with Sweet Stitch and Embroidery and Design, and I'm here tonight to show you how to use the Batch Convert tool in SewWhat-Pro. I've had some questions about that, and it's a great tool to use if you've got a certain format on embroidery machine like a Janome and you use the JEF format, but the only files you've got are, for instance, .pes or .hus, and you can convert several files at once rather than doing them one at a time, which is a lot slower. And this is a wonderful tool. To access it, go to the menu bar, select Tools, or you can use the shortcut, the Control key plus the letter B. So click Batch Convert, and two boxes pop up. And the first box you want to use is for the selection box for the batch conversion, and it's all drag and drop, which is nice. So let's take these letters here and go all the way down, select the entire folder. And you can also do multiple files. If there were other file formats in here, you could select all them too. And hold down your left mouse button. You can see I've got 208 files here. That's a lot of files to convert. So let's drag them over to this window. And you can see a little paper attached to my mouse cursor. So you release the left mouse button, and that will drop all those files there. See, they're all in that box. And if you look down at the bottom of the box, next is grayed out. And it's grayed out because we still haven't finished with this box. So I need to go down here and click finish. And then this button becomes active. So let's click on next. Make sure that these buttons here are unchecked, because you want to select where you want to save your files. And if you select this, it'll actually preserve the directory tree like it was originally, where, for instance, if I had files in Terry Laughlin, documents, embroidery, HUS files, on down, it would still show that, but I'm only wanting to put them in the test folder. So let's leave these boxes unchecked. And you can play around with it too, see what I'm talking about later. And then number 2, select the format that you want to save it in. So I'm going to save it in a JEF file, the Janome, and I'd like to also save it in a brother file. So if you hold down the control button, you can do it in a second format. So let's select this too. And if you want to do it in 3, you could select this also. So we'll go from a DST format to where we have 3 copies, or 3 different formats. We'll have the Singer one here, the brother, we'll also have the Janome, the JEF, instead of just the DST. So then we select convert, and that's all there is to it. Now let's go up here to File and Open and see what we've got. Let's go to our directory where we saved that. And I had a folder I created called Test. And you can see all those files are now in here. And if you look over here, you can see that now we've got JEF files, PES, and XXX, which I told it to save them in. And that's all there is to it for using the batch conversion tool. And as you can see, that's a lot of files. I believe there were 208 that we can, excuse me, I can't talk, allergies. Anyway, there were 208 files that we converted all at once. And that's a great tool rather than doing them individually one by one. And that's all we've got for today, and thanks for stopping by.